Binomials and trinomials, those little things that so many math teachers want us to multiply. Many people have troubles with this. And yes, I got a new model to replace the homemade one. I'm going to have a whole video about that soon. The reason that people have troubles multiplying binomials is most likely because of how most math courses present it. Most courses want us to memorize FOIL, what it stands for. The problem with this is that it overcomplicates things. All you really need to remember is to multiply everything. You need to multiply every combination of things that you can. For instance, when you multiply x plus 2 times 3x plus 4, you need to make sure that you multiply everything. In order to make sure that I multiply everything, I make sure to multiply from left to right. You, however, should do what works best for you. Do not let people tell you which order to do it in. You do what works for you. Everybody will have it work slightly differently for them. Do what works for you. There is no specific order for multiplying them that's objectively right or wrong. I'm going to walk you through how I do it, but make sure that you experiment around with which order you like to multiply the different parts in. First, I multiply x and 3x to get 3x squared. Now, I would multiply x and 4 to get 4x. Then 2 and 3x to get 6x. Then I would multiply 2 and 4 to get 8. And just add all that together. Although, and I can't stress this enough, you do what works for you. This way of multiplying also spills over to trinomials and other kinds of polynomials. In order to show this, I will use the following problem. And yeah, it's going to be a long one. Yeah. It's got some pretty big... It's got a trinomial and a 4-part polynomial. X squared plus... Excuse me, I told you that... There we go. X squared plus 2x plus 3 times 4x cubed plus 5x squared plus 6x plus 7. First, I multiply x squared and 4x cubed to get 4x to the 5th. And remember, you do not have to do this specific order. Just make sure you multiply everything. Now, I would multiply x squared by 5x squared to get 5x to the 4th. I don't know why it says 4x to the 4th in my script. I probably just, like, typo. Now, since this problem is so long, I'm just gonna go through the rest of it really fast so that the video isn't like 20 minutes long, probably longer. if you want to continue watching me solve the problem, I'm still going to be having it like run, but it's just gonna be done really quickly. You can just slow down the video and all the steps are shown. I'm gonna do that real quickly. And until next time, goodbye.